I'm here in South Redondo Beach. Everyone kind of lumps it in with Manhattan Beach and Hermosa Beach and assumes it's all the same. It's not. Redondo Beach is basically two different cities pretending to be one. And when it comes to walkability, that matters. Fun fact, I actually haven't worn a tie in 25 years. I wear shorts year round. I'm wearing them now, unless it's raining, and that's not very often.
Let's jort. We're in our jorts. We're in our jort shorts.
So yeah, living here in SoCal is a lifestyle. It's easy. Redondo Beach's walkability score, not always easy.
I'd love to know the walkability score.
Let's get into it. Redondo Beach, wide beaches, the Esplanade, sunsets, people walking, people biking, grabbing coffee, heading down to the water. It looks relaxed, looks simple, looks walkable, and in some places, it is. So let's define walkable. Can you live your daily life without your car? Groceries, coffee, happy hour, dinner under about 15 minutes on foot? Because 25 minutes uphill with groceries, that's not walkable. That's cardio.
Now go on, climb that hill.
Here's the key to Redondo Beach. It's split. South Redondo, right here, has the ocean, the beach, the pier I'm standing on. North Redondo, it's inland. It doesn't have a beach. It's really two different cities. They have two different zip codes. And, they don't really hang out together.
I do miss us hanging out together.
And if you live in South Redondo, you're probably not going to go to North Redondo.
We don't need to go there.
Another thing you need to know, Manhattan Beach and Hermosa Beach are contiguous. You can walk on the strand or on the sand from one pier to the other. So naturally, you think that you can just walk the beach from Hermosa right through to Redondo or vice versa. But you can't. Decades ago, Redondo Beach tore down their entire downtown and added King Harbor. And the marina and the pier, it cuts everything off. So that easy beach walk from Hermosa just turns into a detour and a decision. And now you're going around this. And here's where it gets tricky because you get to walk through this giant, not terribly safe parking garage like we're doing now. So walkability isn't just about distance. Here it's geometry.
What's geometry?
Here in South Redondo Beach, from the Esplanade to PCH, it's pretty flat, easy walking. 3 blocks east of PCH, you're negotiating with your lungs and your joints. And that's where the hill shows up again. It's not a gentle hill either, especially when you got 2 bags of groceries. That hill gets real honest real fast. So when someone says, it's just a few blocks, yeah, but it's a few blocks up. Now, if you want the most walkable part of Redondo Beach, this is it. The Riviera Village. This is Redondo Beach's version of downtown. It's a whole other story. Coffee, restaurants, bars, boutiques, shopping, groceries, parking. You can actually live here without using your car much.
With a walkable downtown.
This is where it remembers it's a beach town and starts acting like it. But stay close though, because once you drift too far east, you're back in hill mode. And just to keep things interesting, the Hollywood Riviera, why not talk about that? Well, it can be a little hilly pretty quickly. However, the Hollywood Riv has a Redondo Beach mailing address, yes, but it's actually in Torrance. Torrance schools, Torrance services. There's a huge difference versus Redondo Beach. Huge. So yeah, welcome to the South Bay. Up here above the harbor along Catalina, you've got a ton of condos. Great ocean views, Catalina on a clear day, not today. And it's surprisingly flat-ish. But this is more of your walk in your neighborhood walkable and not your cancel your car insurance walkable.
What, dude, you canceled our insurance policy?
Now let's talk about North Redondo Beach. Different animal. More inland, closer to the freeways, more space, more value, less beach walkability. Not what people picture when they think beach town.
Not a bad town.
You've got Artesia behind me. You've got restaurants, bars, services. But if you're a wine drinker, the only grocery store is Grocery Outlet. And they have some great wine deals there. But you're not casually walking to the beach from here. You're driving.
This town has a beach?
Just remember, it's a different city than South Redondo. So, can you live here without your car? South Redondo near Riviera Village? Yes, that's your best shot. West of PCH? Pretty good. East of PCH? Depends on your knees and your lungs.
That's a lot of heels.
North Redondo Beach? Oh, yeah, you're driving. Redondo Beach is walkable, but only in pockets. So, the trick isn't finding walkable so much as it is finding the version that actually works for your daily life. And if you're comparing Hermosa Beach or Manhattan Beach, you're going to want to watch these next.